Hello everyone, this is Chris Strong with Rapid Scan 3D. Rapid Scan 3D is an Artec reseller and ambassador for over a decade. Here today we're going to show you how to find a volume calculation within a bowl. So if you want to find what that calculation is for volume if you were to fill this, we can show this to you here. So the gray is the area where we scanned. Everything on the back side, which is black, is the underneath area. So first thing I'm going to identify is that I'm going to see a couple holes in here. So I'm going to go into my hole filling section. I'm going to click on these two small hole areas and I'll fill them. And I'll do that in a smooth area. Notice one on the corner. So this being on the corner area, if I get close on it and turns green, it shows the whole area. So what I'm going to do is create a bridge. So I'll go into the bridge section. I'll click on this side, which will give me 2 anchor points, and onto this bottom side. And I can move those anchor points where I want them. I kind of want them at that tip top around the top of the bowl. And that looks like might be a good spot right there. And I'm just going to say to fill. So this will give me a nice curvature over that top part. And I'm just going to go again one more time, and I'm going to fill this hole. So we have 2 here. I'm just going to do that one small. The other one's the top part, so I'm just going to fill that one. All right, so if I zoom back out, now I should have a bowl with no holes besides that green, which is the top area. So what I want to do is create a flat top over here, but if I do that, it's going to close it off. So I got to cancel out of this one or go out of here. And what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to flip the data. So inside my editor section, tools, I'm going to do a normal inversion. So I'm going to actually flip this inside out. All right. So you can kind of see now that's the inversion of it. And now I'm going to go ahead and fill this hole, make sure it's flat, and I'm going to fill it. Now this would be the inside of the bowl, right, if you were to have it completely covered up. And then this provides us a fully watertight mesh. So technically this whole part could sit inside the bowl. So next up I'm going to go into my measurement tools, and I'm going to create a cross section. I'm going to do that by picking 3 points on this top plane. And you'll notice that plane doesn't cover the whole thing, so I'm going to go into the scale bar and I'm going to scale it up. So let's just scale it up to 3, which you'll notice is a overkill, but it covers the whole part. So what I'm going to do here is actually just drop that plane below in the Z, and we're going to calculate the volume going up. So everything in red is basically a volume calculation. You'll see on the left hand side the volume, which is millimeters cubed, and surface area. And this basically right here is how to create a volume within a cavity just by using Artec Studio and nothing else. If you have any questions about Artec Studio, Artec scanning, or 3D scanning in general, please feel free to reach out to us. You can email us at info@rapidscan3d.com. You can give us a call at 562-912-3544, or visit our website, which is rapidscan3d.com. All that information is in the description of this YouTube video. Check back for more videos from us and hope to help you out in the future. Thank you and have a wonderful day.